Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in June 2025. We have a bunch to talk about in this video. There are a ton of coupons that just dropped, and I will get you my top picks from those. As well as if you saw my previous videos, we have a parking lot sale that's going to take place on Monday, June 9th for Inside Track Club members and Friday, June 13th for everybody else. There's some good stuff in this ad. And they actually just dropped 2 additional pages for this ad. So if you saw my previous video, there are now 2 additional pages of deals for that parking lot sale coming up. But stay tuned, I'll break it all down for you. As always, if you find my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's check out the deals. So here is that parking lot sale ad. Again, this is going to start June 9th for Inside Track Club members and June 13th for everybody else. I'm not going to do a full breakdown of this ad. I did in the last video. But some highlights from this first page are, of course, that meme tool. This is the Icon Mini Flex Head Ratchet Kit. It's going to be 30% off. That's a really nice discount at $28. I love this thing. If you envision yourself ever having to assemble IKEA-type furniture in your future or just having it in the garage, I promise you'll get some use out of this. They also have the Mini Steel Toolbox. This is the first time we've seen this on sale since Black Friday. Pretty much every store has a ton of stock on these, so you should be able to pick one up. These are going to be $14. You have 40% off all Icon wrench sets. This is really the marquee deal of this sale. And you're definitely going to want to be an ITC member and jump on this one as soon as you can. And then you have 30% off all Pittsburgh steel jacks. And then $200 for that US General 5-drawer mechanics cart. Not the lowest we've seen. And I do have a feeling that's going to be the lowest price we're going to see for a while coming up here. And that's going to be $200 for that 5-drawer cart. So right here, opening this ad, this is where you start seeing some new stuff that just got added. Again, I'll link this ad in the description below so you can browse it yourself. But you have some good stuff from US General, some more cabinets on sale. Your Pittsburgh 301-piece tool set is going to be $170. A lot of the socket organizers are going to be all on sale. A lot of the hand trucks are going to be a nice price. You got some air spray guns, the Hercules miter saw. And then checking out this back page, we have a bunch of the winches are going to be on sale and some Predator generators up here. You also have that Hallmaster folding cargo carrier for $90. That's a really great price. So definitely a pretty nice parking lot sale coming up here. So if you have any big purchases coming up, make sure you check this ad, make sure it's not going to go on sale. All right, let's jump right into the coupons. So first up here, we have the Merlin Premium Air Compressor Accessory Kit. It's a 20-piece set. You get a bunch of the quick connect adapters, a coil hose, the blowgun, and all the different tips that you're going to want. But this is on sale for $19. They also have 20% off all of their Merlin air hoses. Merlin is really their top brand of air accessories over at Harbor Freight. So you can really get a nice air hose if you need one. All these are 20% off. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh Tire Repair Kit. Just a very basic tire repair kit. They do make one from Maddox down here if you want something a little bit nicer. But just for a bare bones emergency use case, you can't really beat this at just $4. Keep it in your glove box. It might just save you. They also have the plastic portable ramps from Pittsburgh. I've had these forever, and they've been super solid for me. But it's a 2-piece set, obviously, for $50. And then here we have a really cheap funnel set. If you're watching this today, it's Sunday, June 1st. You can still take advantage of that free tool if you're an ITC member. And this is a great way to get it. Get a 4-piece funnel set for $1.29 and then pick up one of those free items. Here's the Holt automatic air grease gun. This hooks up to your air compressor. So if you happen to have something like a lawn tractor or a real tractor and you have a lot of grease ports, this thing can make quick work of it. Here we have the Syntec. This is the deluxe version of the battery maintainer. And really that deluxe version just means it comes with this additional set if you wanted to permanently mount these to the battery and have an even quicker way to plug this up to an outlet. I actually recently used this, surprisingly, on my brand new truck. So maybe some other you guys out there are in the same boat. If you have a newer car, they tend to have to get over the air updates. And the one on my new truck just wouldn't install. It kept failing. And it turns out if your battery is under a certain percentage, the update just won't occur. So this thing saved me a trip to the dealership. I let it charge overnight and that update was installed perfectly the next morning. So if you have an older lawn tractor or something like that, you're trying to extend the life of the battery, this is great. Or maybe you have a newer car, this can be useful too. But this is $15. Here's a little bit nicer battery charger and maintainer from Viking. This is $30. Here's the Pittsburgh ratcheting combination wrench set, a 7-piece set for $22. You might want to hold off on this one if you're planning on taking advantage of that Icon 40% off deal during the parking lot sale. It might be just close enough in price that it makes sense to upgrade to that Icon set. We also have from Pittsburgh the 1/2-inch drive deep socket set. It's impact rated at $25. And then you have the 25-inch breaker bar 1/2-inch drive for $13. I really like the Quinn line of tools. I think they're a great middle ground between Pittsburgh and Icon. But here's the 1/2-inch drive metric impact socket set, also available in standard. You get a 13-piece set here for $20. Dead blow hammers are a great pickup at Harbor Freight. Here's one for just $10 for a 3-pound version. If you don't already have a collection of these hex keys from different stuff you've put together, here's a nice 13-piece set. Has nice markings on it so you can pick the right one. This is Icon at $18. Here's really the price you want to pay for this Avanti handheld paint and stain sprayer. This is the lowest we ever see it go at $40. And it's a great price for this. This works great if you have a fence to stain or any other little painting projects. This is really nice to use. So this is definitely the price to grab it at. You also have the Icon Professional Scraper for just $10. One of my favorite pickups at Harbor Freight really always has been, especially when they were making sort of lower quality tools back in the day, are these wrecking bars and demo stuff. But here's the Pittsburgh 48-inch gooseneck wrecking bar at $22. Here's the Braun 10,000 lumen 4-foot. This is the diamond plated LED hanging shop light at $43. This is a pretty cool item. This is the cable tie gun. You can quickly wrap some cables with this thing, and this is just $15. They also have the extra large moving blanket. This is a really nice one at $13. I love keeping one in the back of my truck, so I don't have to worry about scratching up anything I might be hauling. So there are actually 3 versions of these Bauer pressure washers now. You saw the cheapest version in that parking lot sale. That's 2,000 PSI. Here's the 2,300 PSI version at $230. And then later in this ad, they actually have a 3,000 PSI model that is available on sale for ITC members, but we'll get to that later. If you have any patio projects or paver stone projects, here's a tamper for $25. Some car washing stuff. Here are the new Grant 6-inch foam pads for $8. You also have this dirt guard, fits in the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket. Just make sure you're not going to scratch up your car while you're washing it. It really separates that debris in the bucket and protects your sponges at $7. Here's a half moon blade for one of those multi-tools from Hercules at $8. A 36-piece Dow assortment set here for $3. It's a nice price. Here's my favorite cheap grill caddy. This is the Voyager tool tote. It has a bunch of pockets on the side. You can put different spices and anything you want in there. Or you can use it as its intended purpose to store some tools at just $15. Some nice safety glasses here. These have the UV coating and the smoke finish on it for $3. You can always use some spreaders. Here's a 3-piece set for $2. These are their dollar day items. Another one of those demo tools. This is the 12-inch pry bar at $3. Here's the plunge flush cutting blade for multi-tools from Bauer at $6. The Hercules impact rated hex shank socket drive set, 3-piece set here, $7. One of the first things I picked up over at Harbor Freight, here's the Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set. I like the flex head on it. It even comes with a super cheap little magnifying glass. Not really sure what you'd use that for, but this is $7, comes in a nice case. A great pickup over at Harbor Freight are these hose clamp assortment sets. This is a 40-piece set at $6. And here's the larger assortment, 20-piece set at $6 as well. Here's a little bit bigger of those hex keys. These are the long reach versions. A 36-piece set, pretty much every hex key you'll ever need from Pittsburgh at $7. Now these next deals are for Inside Track Club members only. Of course, that's the yearly subscription. Here we have the Warrior reciprocating saw blade set, a 15-piece set at just $9. That's almost half off the normal price. You also have the 14-gallon Bauer wet dry vacuum at $100. I love these steel sawhorses. They're really strong. They can fold up nice. You can slide them under a tool cabinet, something like that. Get them out of the way when you're not using them. These have a 600-pound capacity and they are $20. Your Badlands D-ring shackles, 3/4 inch, are $8. These stubby hammers are really nice to either use for yourself or if you like to do projects with your kids. These work great for them and are much nicer than the little hammers that will come in a lot of kids' tool sets. But this is just $2.79. They also have this ball peen hammer version for the same price. Here's a new addition to their step drill bits. This is from Hercules. You're getting some smaller, more slender bits here at $36. If you need to do any pruning, here's some pruners for $9. These hitch stabilizers are really nice. If you're gonna have a bike rack, a lot of times you'll get a bad rattle and it'll drive you crazy, but this will completely eliminate it. These are also really useful on those cargo carriers that suffers the same problem, but this is just $10.79. Here's a locking hitch pin at just $8. Kind of a nice all-purpose storage canvas bag here. I like the design of it. This is $10. If you own a boat, make sure there's a fire extinguisher on it. This is a marine grade fire extinguisher at $20. You can also pick up one for just your garage or workshop for $18. Another must have in your workshop, especially if you're a woodworker out there, are these dust masks. This is a washable, reusable one, and it's $20. My favorite way to mask around my area if I'm going to do any painting is this cardboard paper, and you get a ton of it here for just $4.49. So here's that pressure washer I was talking about earlier. This is the top rated one, fairly new over at Harbor Freight. This is the 3000 PSI, 1.1 gallons per minute. I would like to see that a little bit higher. That's a little bit low for something like this, but this is really the top of the line one over there on that Bauer brand. And this is $325 for ITC members. I love these spray bottles. Here you're getting a 2-pack for just $4. They're really nice. I've had them for a while. Great for putting some leftover pesticides or herbicides that you might be spraying. You do some spot sprays between your other sprays. Here was a meme tool once upon a time. This is the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool at $35. A surprisingly nice camping table right here. I love the recessed cup holders. Folds up nice. And this is $20. And then last up here, we have the Badlands recovery snatch strap. If you're going to be doing any recovery out there, do keep in mind this is the lighter version at just 6,600 pound capacity, but it is $30. All right, that's it. Those are all the deals. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be after for the parking lot sale coming up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.